Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Tina from It's a Wonderful Plan. Today I'm going to be working in my daily duo and I'm going to be using stickers from a BOLDERBON. And these stickers were sent to me. Bonnie had sent these to me, so thank you so much, Bonnie, for sending these to me to share with all of you. Now I did do a flip through of all of these stickers in another video, as well as a plan with me with some of her other stickers. So I will go ahead and link that video down below. I also have a discount code for you to save a little bit of money if you choose to purchase anything from her. All right, so let me go ahead and just show you the stickers that I'm going to be using today. This is from the Windsong collection, and I have like a stack of them here. I separated them out because I wanted to make sure that I shared them with you correctly. So let me make a little bit of room. We're going to move this to the side here. Okay, so like I said, I like to use the Erin Condren Daily Duo. I use the 7x9. So she has kits that will fit the 7x9 as well as the A5 size. And this is her matte paper. And we've got the days of the week here. And these could be purchased individually as pages individually, or you could just purchase the whole kit. Isn't that pretty? I love that. We've got the pretty bird and we're going into the fall vibes here. We've got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then an extra one here. This one is for like the weekly overview. There's some skinny washi on here. And then there are these boxes, which fit really nicely in the box section here. And there are a few different ones here that you could choose from. So you can get like the variety of them. That's all of those. And then there's this one here. This one is a little bit different. This one has still like that same design with the boxes, but this also has some like, looks like torn washi kind of like borders on here, and then some checklists. And then this one right here, this is like for hourly. So the half hours and hours on here. Oh, let me show you the other stickers that also come in this collection. She has like journaling pages. Okay. So these are part of like her journaling. You can buy them individually, or you could buy these two as a set. And then there's these other ones here. These are actually like skinny little strip stickers. Look at that. That's so pretty. This is like just kind of an assortment of her white matte paper and her clear matte paper. I love that little fox. He's so cute. And then there's this sheet right here, which you would have your month on here, fully written out, or in this like kind of like decorative little like seal type of design for September notes, goals, and lists. I am running really behind. And because I'm running behind, I want to just keep things simple. And the great thing about the kits is that if you're running late, but you really want to like decorate your planners, the kits are so nice because it's already like done for you. You know what I mean? Like all of the process has been thought out, and you could just go ahead, go with the stickers and lay them down and still have some really pretty pages in your planner. I really honestly do prefer like freeform decorating, but this is so convenient when you are running behind and you really want your planner to look a certain way. And that's pretty much how I am right now this week. With her kits, the day of the week is always going to be on the left side. The actual like daily duo design itself is at the outer corners of them. But with her kits, she has like a little circle there, a dot to write in the actual date, and then of course the day of the week. And like I said, they're always on the left side. In August, I used one of her kits and it didn't bother me like one bit. I didn't notice it. It wasn't like awkward or anything like that. And I'm talking about it because I can be kind of particular, and I know I'm not the only one out there. Like, we have our particularities, right? We all have that certain something that we're like, I don't know if I like that. I do want to point it out to you because I'd hate for you to like get the kit and be like, hey, this is on this side. I work from home in my office craft space, and I do all of my content creating and do all of my fun crafting. I have two separate tables. I have my desk, and then I have a table for filming and for taking pictures and content creating. And the reason why I'm not at that table right now is because I'm in the process of redesigning my office craft space. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it. Basically, everything had to come out of my office. So the last video that I filmed, I had to film it at my kitchen table, which was fine, you know, not a big deal. But I'm back in my office, but not everything is set up. I will be sharing the whole like process with you. You guys can see my husband painting and putting up shelves and doing all the things because he's amazing. And it's been like quite a project, and I really, I'm so excited about it. It's not done yet. So hence the reason why I have like, I'm filming here at my desk, which is not really a bad thing, but I kind of like having my desk clear so that way I could come here and sit and work, right? But I don't have my filming desk like back in here yet, which that I plan on kind of like redesigning it a bit. So that's another reason why I am just like running really late with having this week set up. I was doing really, really well with having my week set up to go, like probably like Thursday, Friday. I like to have things decorated. And then that way I can just like jump in like Sunday evening and write in all my plans. And generally I do enjoy like freeform decorating instead of using kits. But since I'm running so far behind, this is like golden for me right now. It's not the end of the world, obviously, if you leave a week blank, because I mean, it happens to all of us. Like that is for sure. However, I kind of set a little bit of a goal for myself with this planner to have every week like decorated. So, okay, I do like to do my freeform decorating. And I have all these really cute stickers to do that, but I don't think it's really going to happen for this one. But I'm going to see where I get, and we'll go from there. Do I want to have like all these birds on one page? That's a lot of birds, right? I mean, I like birds, but I don't know if I want to have all of the birds like that. I could do this. That's cute. That like mixes it up a bit, right? Okay, let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. I would feel better because I'm going to go back and look at it and be like, what? Why did I do that? Okay. So it is Monday. It's Monday the 8th. It's like the evening. So this day I will be doing like some like back planning on here a bit, which I really don't like to do, but that's just the way it is sometimes. Or I don't do it at all. Like if either I do it or I don't. And I'm okay with that. You know, like I don't really like to I don't like spending the time back planning because generally I don't have time for it. You know, if I didn't have time to fill it in during, you know, at that time for the day, for the week, whatever it may be, then what makes me think I'm going to have time to back plan and fill in what already like happened, which is probably why I'm not good with memory keeping because, again, things take time, right? Okay, let's get these boxes in here. I am all about making this like easy, pressing the easy button. And honestly, that is what these kits will do for you. Press the easy button. And they're pretty. Look at how pretty they are. If you don't know, I am a caregiver. I help my senior parents out. So I'm always running around, like always. And this week just happens to be the week where everything is happening this week. What do I mean by that? I mean, I have an appointment every single day this week for somebody. And then, of course, I pick up my nephew from school. Oh, I don't know if you're going to hear the crazy neighbor dogs going nuts. Sorry about that. I don't know what's going on with those guys, but sometimes they're always barking. I live in the city. I live in Chicago, and I don't live like in the heart of the city per se. If you're familiar at all with Chicago, I am in the city, but I'm on the north side, and I'm like near O'Hare Airport. If you, like I said, if you are familiar with the city, I don't live on a main street, but I'm very near a main street. And not only that, but our neighbors are just like really, we're just kind of close together. Not super close, like some, some cities you just literally share like a brick wall, but I don't, we're not in that situation. But I am covering my hourlies for the weekend. I want to share with you what I'm doing as I'm talking about personal things. I will always have like a to-do list going because Saturdays is when we generally do like laundry and whatever we need to do on that day. And then we try to have like a fun like date night. And so I'd like to have some fun boxes in here. And Sunday is pretty much like getting ready for the following week. So I think I'm going to do a little freeform decorating on Saturday and Sunday. Really love this tree. That is so cute. So I'm going to do something there. Okay, let's figure out Friday though, because Friday I want to keep it simple. Keep it simple. All right, so let's do that. Not to mention, I would like to get this video out to you. That also takes time. I have to like edit things down because throughout my filming, I always have to kind of stop and pause and figure things out. And I don't want to like film all that. So I edit things out because I appreciate the time that you spend with me. And I love that you like want to spend a lot of time with me, but your time is valuable. So you can be doing something else, or you could be watching another of my videos so you have more time to consume more stuff. Oh my gosh, this kit is so cute. There's so many cute stickers in here. This is what happens. I get like really like drawn in. This is so pretty. That, see how that was so much easier. Like seriously, like, oh my gosh, I'm so thankful that I have this really cute kit. Let's see what I want to do here because I definitely want to bring in this tree. Like I am obsessed with this tree. Maybe I could bring in something like this. Oh, that might be an idea. That might be really cute. Okay, so let me bring in this little washi strip. I kind of like when things are like bordered at the top and then at the bottom. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, I love it. Let's bring that one in there. That's pretty. I want to bring in this kite. I think this is so cute. And I'm going to put him like right here because he's so cute. Grab this. And I'm going to put that like right there. This little heart, because like I said, it's our date night. And I'm going to do that. Look at how cute that is. Okay, let's bring just a few of them. I think that's so cute. Okay, and then let's come over here to Sunday. And I really like these like little corner stickers. Like that. I think this one will be cute. I don't know, I just like to have a cleaner look when stickers are more like transparent. It doesn't really go all the way to the corners, so I guess I will end it where the lines that I just covered up start. Okay, that's cute. Okay, let's bring this one down here. I think I'm going to take this and I'm going to, oh, that doesn't tear. Okay, good to know. So let me grab my knife and let's kind of make what I want, which is really just kind of like a more solid piece to layer there. Then there's this one. I just feel like this needs some more like solid things going on. And that will work. And then look at, I could grab this little piece here and kind of fill that in. I like the tiny pieces because then you could really get like super creative with like what you're doing here. And these do layer really nicely on top of each other like that. Okay, I like that. That looks cute. And I think I'm happy. Let's go ahead and do a flip. Okay, here we go. I finished for the week. I'm super happy. I feel like a little stressed because it's actually Monday evening. But I'm happy that I was able to go ahead and get this like filled in. It actually gives me some anxiety when I don't have my planner like ready to go, and I could just write in it, but I really wanted to use this kit that Bonnie sent me. And this kit again is from BOLDERBON. And this one is called Windsong. And I used most of the pages from the kits, so that is always very satisfying. I have a couple of hourlies here, and then I have some couple of like decorative elements here, but I use these pages up completely. And I think that I feel like I'm missing, there's another page I use completely too in this pile. This one almost, yeah, I almost used this one. So yeah, and then I have all these like decorative sheets, which I did use some of the stickers from here, and they were really fun. So I kind of like that idea. If you decide to pick anything up from her, you know, a kit is great if you like the kits. If anything, pick up maybe a couple of the sheets for the boxes if you want some matching boxes to coordinate with like these beautiful like decorative elements. That's an idea. So it's really nice the way that she has it set up. I do have a discount code down below with the link to the shop, so you could save yourself a little bit of money, which is always really nice. And you would save 15% off with the code It's a Wonderful Plan. So that is down below. And let's just do a quick little overview here of the pages, and I could show you how this turned out. This is the overview for the week. I don't use this page honestly, but I did want to show you how that like extra like washi does fit nicely at the top there. If you you know, choose to get a kit, you know how to use that. And then I have my Monday and my Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday I did some free form decorating down here, which was so fun. I love that I was able to use this tree, and I love her clear matte stickers. They are so pretty. They are like, first of all, they have this really nice feel to them, and I just like the way that they look on the page. It looks like it's like seamless, and I love that because when you don't have matte paper, you get a lot of glare back, and that to me could be a little annoying. And then here is Sunday, so I did a couple of different things here, and I'm so happy. I'm all set. I can start filling my pages in because like I said, it's Monday evening, and it's kind of like I feel a little like stressed because I didn't have this week set up, but now I do. So now I can fill it in and I can relax a little bit because like I said, I have a busy week ahead of me. And I'm really, really excited. I started talking a little bit earlier about my office. It is coming together, and I'm super, super excited about it. And I'm really excited to share it with you. So if you want to make sure that you don't want to miss any of the videos that I do post, make sure that you are subscribed and you hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when my videos come out. And if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. What do you do if you are running behind for a week? Do you decorate and like back plan, or do you just like use the planner without it being decorated, or do you just forego using it and you just won't use it unless it's like decorated, and then you have to like, you know, just wait for the next week to, you know, or start decorating the next week. So I'd love to know what you do if you're running behind the way that I am for this week. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me in today's video. And if you watch this video all the way through till the end, leave me a bird emoji. All right, thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.